just a real little creek. Lots of tree limbs. Okay, I'm heading the other way. Started up here. There's the Storytime Circle at the Cottonwood Trail, crossed over Dry Creek Bridge right there. Almost took the service road, but decided to walk on the Cottonwood Trail. That's where we saw the deer in here earlier this month. Then it goes this way. I might just jump on the service road. But here's the Iron Turtle Bridge. Decided to take the trail anyway. Just because of the temperature, the shades through here, so it's really right next to the creek. According to the map, that may be Bluff Creek, that part. So, not supposed to go past the rail. But we're heading to the Iron Turtle Bridge. Here's the sign about snakes. It's right before the Iron Turtle Bridge. Has some information about snakes. That they eat rodents and ticks and keep insect population under control. So, anyway, they're not that bad, even though they're scary. Although, this guy, yeah, you want to stay away from him. So in the last video I crossed over the bridge. I probably will, but I just wanted to show you the landscape. Here is the other part of the trail that goes this way, and it's got that low-lying limb, so I call that watch your head limb right here. And let's see, it's telling you right here, Iron Turtle. So at this point you can get back on the trail, or you can get on the service road, and it all depends on where you want to go. This is Trail C. You have to cross the bridge, so probably do that. I won't make a video of going across the bridge though. It's already happened. I think I'll make a video maybe heading this direction, which would be west, and following that loop on Trail C. Didn't go that way last time. Yeah, there's some like steps, because it gets a little tricky right here. So some people run in the morning. I don't know if they go this way. It's a great trail to run, but you got to be definitely cautious going down these things. So it's just a little tricky, you know. You may want to not go this way if you have walking problems or bad knees or ankles. You can walk down that little pea gravel area. So here's the confluence where the Spring Creek and Bluff Creek merge. Right down there is Bluff Creek. See? And it goes south into Oklahoma City. And then there's Spring Creek winding around that way. So I guess it all becomes Spring Creek. Not 100%, but as you can see, there's just that little grassy area. And it's got kind of that area where the two creeks merge. we're back on Trail C. So up we go. And there's roots and stuff in the trail. So, roots mainly. Could be some tree branches here and there, but not often. Gotta watch your step. So, anyway. Now we're in the sunny part of the trail. So, 11:30ish, around that time in the morning. So it's gonna be kind of warm. I'll probably cut my video until we get to a shadier area. Watch for roots. More of Bluff Creek, back in the shade. Around the corner. They have these little blue notices. No dog. I mean, you're in the middle of the park, so wouldn't you know? No dog at this point. Because it's that right there at the beginning. Anyway. And now we're going up. So I made it to the old pavilion. I don't know how long ago it collapsed, but I kind of remember that being here. Anyway, I was making a comment about the dog sign, and yes, it's a nature park. It's for the wild animals. So yeah, don't bring your dogs out. I would love to bring my dogs, but this is for them. This is for the birds and the beavers and deer. And there's probably a coyote or two out here somewhere. So, yeah, probably not a good idea. Here's another dead tree. Also, no smoking, which is a great idea. So I found a shade tree and a bench. Not sure exactly where it is on the trail, but it's convenient. If you need to sit and rest, there it is. It's in the shade, so that's convenient too. So just so you know, there's no swimming or wading in the creek. And I took a picture of the sign, explains why, but there's just a lot of runoff because it is in the middle of the city. So there's bacteria, stuff like that you got to worry about. But since I'm not going into the creek, I'm going to walk down and just get a picture of the rapids, the video, so you can see what it looks like. I didn't really show it in my last video. It was early. Somebody was down here just enjoying the day, and I didn't want to interrupt them. They were having a good time, just relaxing. So, but it is a public creek, so I could have done that if I wanted. But anyway, as you can tell, it's been eroded over time. The creek used to come over here. It's real pretty, it's real peaceful. As a little kid, that would kill me not to be able to get in that creek, but not a little kid, so. And I remember we used to cross. See where those stones are? We used to cross over, but that is prohibited. And there's probably some slick spots, and people have probably fallen and stuff like that, so. I think the city don't want people pushing their luck. It is a pretty area, and right over there somewhere is the observation tower just beyond those trees. So anyway, that's gonna do it for today. Kind of hot, got my bandana on, and it's warming up. It's August in Oklahoma. So anyway, thanks for watching. Maybe a copperhead, so that was the end of the video. Then I ran into this guy. He doesn't look like he's moving at all, and he kind of looks like he's still alive. Alright, so I took another route back, heading back to the car. This big old oak tree, down limbs, and I forgot about this bridge, so anyway, gotta watch your step out here. These roots will get you. Ain't no fun to trip. Oh yeah, I remember crossing this last time. Britain Lumber provided the wood, and let's give a shout out to Jacob Forrester for his Eagle project, Troop 162. Wish they would have said what year he did it, but still pretty cool. I was trying to make a short little video of this little bridge, and the shade just makes it hard to read. But it says special thanks to David and Jimmy at OG&E. So I guess these two gentlemen came out and built this nice little crossway path bridge here. It's very handy. There's the bridge we need to cross. The Iron Turtle Bridge. There they are. What do you think of that? Deer after all.